The EPC warning light, electronic power control, is a specific warning indicator found in Volkswagen, including Audi, Seat, Skoda. It is related to the vehicle's engine and throttle system. When the EPC light comes on, it indicates a problem with the vehicle's engine management system or one of its related components. These components typically include 1. Throttle system. Issues with the throttle body, throttle position sensor, or related components. 2. Traction control system. The EPC system works closely with the traction control and stability control systems, so a fault here may trigger the light. 3. Mass airflow sensor, MAF. This sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine and could affect engine performance if faulty. 4. Engine sensors, such as oxygen sensors, crankshaft or camshaft position sensors. 5. Fuel supply. Problems with fuel injectors, the fuel pump, or fuel pressure regulation. 6. Brake light switch. Some VW models link the EPC system to the brake light switch, so a fault here may also trigger the EPC light. What should you do if the EPC light comes on? Drive with caution. The car might go into limp mode, reduced power, to prevent further damage. Avoid high speeds. If possible, pull over safely and inspect for obvious issues. Get diagnostics. Use an OBD2 scanner or have a mechanic check for trouble codes that will pinpoint the problem. It's best to address an EPC warning light as soon as possible because the underlying issues can impact both performance and safety. 4.0